There's no money out here. If you've ever said that or even thought it, you're not alone. But I'm going to tell you something that might change how you look at business forever. There is no shortage of money. There's a shortage of preparation. Today, I'm breaking down why most people never see a dollar, even though billions are available. The real problem, let's be real, most people don't get denied because there's no money. They get denied because they're not ready. Here's what I see all the time. No clear business model, no financial structure, no proper documentation, no EIN, no LLC, no business bank account, and no real plan for how they're going to use the money. So when an opportunity comes, they scramble and it shows. And funders can spot that immediately. What funders actually look for? Funders are not just giving away money because you have a good idea. They're investing in structure. They want to see a clear mission, a defined plan, organized financials, a measurable outcome. They're asking, can this person actually handle this money responsibly? And if your business isn't set up properly, that answer is no. Shift your mindset. Here's the mindset shift you need. Funding doesn't go to the most passionate, it goes to the most prepared. Let me say that again, the most prepared, because preparation builds confidence and confidence builds trust. What to do next? So if you're serious about getting funded, get your foundation right, get your paperwork right, get your strategy right. Don't wait until you find an opportunity. Be ready before it shows up. If you want a checklist to make sure you're fully prepared for funding opportunities, drop funding in the comments. And if this helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, because there is money out here. You just need to be ready for it.